Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, now first let us see the directions which have been given to us for the next questions. X and y are non-zero real numbers. fxy is equal to plus x plus y to the power 0.5, that is plus root over x plus y. If x plus y to the power 0.5 is real, otherwise is equal to x plus y squared. gxy is equal to x plus y whole squared. If x plus y to the power 0.5 is real, otherwise minus x plus y. For which of the following is fxy necessarily greater than gxy? Option A, x and y are positive. Option B, x and y are negative. Option C, x and y are greater than -1. And option D, none of these. Now we have x squared less than x for 0 less than x less than 1. So fxy is equal to root over x plus y. And x squared greater than x for x greater than 1. gxy is equal to x plus y squared when x and y are positive. Now for x plus y greater than 1, x plus y to the power 0.5 less than x plus y squared. Therefore fxy less than gxy. We can therefore eliminate option A if x and y are both negative. Now if x and y are both negative, then fxy is equal to x plus y gxy is equal to minus x plus y. Now for -1 less than x plus y less than 0, x plus y whole squared less than minus x plus y. Therefore fxy less than gxy. Thus option B is eliminated. Now as in option D from the above discussion, for x and y cannot again guarantee that fxy greater than gxy. So if x and y greater than -1, this cannot again guarantee that fxy greater than gxy. This cannot be guaranteed. So the correct option is option D, that is none of these. This question is again a continuation of the previous one. Which of the following is necessary false? fxy greater than equal to gxy for x greater than is equal to 0 and y less than 0.5. fxy greater than gxy when xy less than -1. fxy greater than gxy for xy greater than 1, or D, none of the above. Now when x greater than is equal to 0, y less than 0.5, x plus y may be less than 1 or 1. So option A can be either true or false. When xy less than -1, so again option B can be either true or false. When xy greater than 1, x plus y greater than 1. Hence, fxy less than gxy. Therefore, option C is definitely false. So, option C is the answer. The next question is, if fxy is equal to gxy, then A. X equals to y, B. X plus y is equal to 1, C. X plus y is equal to minus 2, and D. Both B and C. So, when x plus y is equal to 1, we have x plus y whole squared is equal to x plus y to the power 0.5. That is fxy is equal to gxy. So option B is the correct answer.